Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Vue.js project with the help of which you will be able to digitally e-sign and edit your PDF files directly in the browser. This is actual overall Vue.js project. All the component files are divided into its appropriate Vue.js files. So I've given the source code in the description. You can directly purchase it, the link. So it's using the latest version of Vue. We are also using jsPDF library as well, which is a PDF processing library. So we are running this project on localhost, as you can just see. It's also very easy for you to deploy this as well. So now let me show you the demo. So the application loads, and here first of all you simply select your PDF file, whichever PDF file you want to edit, and after that you will basically have this option to digitally e-sign. So here you have this option right here. Click this option and right here just draw your signature to digitally e-sign. So once you do this, click on confirm, and here you can place this signature and just place it accordingly. Just adjust the size. So it shows the total number of pages. If you want it on the second page as well, so here it's very easy. You can just see it doesn't require any editor. You can use this, purchase this application. The link is given in the description. Apart from that, we also have the option to add watermark as well. So this is actually the option. Just select the image and just add this as a watermark. So you can just see it also has the option to add text as well. So you can add text, edit your PDF. After that, you also have option. Then you are exporting it. You can also place a password as well. So you can encrypt your PDF. So before downloading it, so once it is done, it will ask you for the password. So now it opens. You can just see the digitally signed. We have signed this PDF file here, and also place auto watermark, image, text, everything. So it's a complete PDF editor built entirely in Vue.js. It's a single page application. If you're interested in this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and it's very easy for you to customize it or add additional features. It's all the source code is customizable, and it's, if you're interested, the link is given in the description.